And now, the only radio segment in history that isn't boring but is meant to put you to sleep. It's time to talk sleep therapy.
And we have Sveti in the studio, our sleep therapist. All right, so listen. I couldn't be happier than knowing a sleep therapist, especially the breakfast radio announcer person, because what we like to do is we like to walk around the corridors and complain and whinge about we don't get any sleep and we live a bit of a zombie lifestyle. Let me break down my sleep pattern, okay? I'm shooting for or trying my best to get to bed by 8 o'clock. I get up at about 3:30. I'd love to do a section about what you think about the snooze button. Do you have a hate or a love for the snooze button?
I don't use them. They're not my friends.
Yeah, I knew you wouldn't like the snooze button. Anyway, we'll get around to that one. That's another segment. 3:30 up, shower, get everything done, and then probably in the radio station at 4 a.m. Then on air at 6, and then pretty much leaving the radio station by about 12. I'll go home. The worst thing I could do is sit down. If I sit down, I'll have these pass-out sleeps, narcoleptic style, you know what I mean? Or try my best to go to the gym. But then you can get back, because I play a bit of sleep math, then I can get back maybe an hour or an hour and a half with a little narcoleptic sleep out. Let me just say one thing, that I've seen a lot of the starter movies, but not many of the end, because I just kind of wake up and it's over. But anyway, so then at night, sometimes I feel tired, sometimes I don't, but I'm trying my best to go to bed at about 8 o'clock, all right? But still, it's a tough gig with the sleep deprivation. In amongst all that, what I just said, can you fix me? Or what do I need to, is there anything you can help me out with there?
Yes, we can change some habits to basically get you sleeping in bed before you fall asleep on the couch watching TV.
But that means, though, that I'll go home at about 12 o'clock and then I'll sleep, like you mean have a bed sleep? Really? But I find that hard to do. See, I find that it's easy to fall asleep in front of the TV or something in the afternoon, get a little cat nap in there. But you're saying go for a bed sleep.
Yes, absolutely.
But what if that could go longer? I could wake up the next day. No.
Well, don't do it during the day.
Oh, how can you
just love that. Well, if you do that, have it for half an hour.
Yeah, okay. I knew you were going to make this tough on me. I tell you.
Absolutely.
I knew you were going to say you weren't going to make it.
All for good cause.
You weren't going to make it fun. All right. So maybe have a bed sleep, not a pass out on a couch. And you're saying half an hour.
Half an hour, 40 minutes.
Because then if you have half an hour, that's not going to rob you at night.
Absolutely,
of the sleep you should have.
Yes, it doesn't disrupt your circadian rhythm body clock. So it does not. You know what happens? When we sleep too long during the day, we get into this state of grogginess. We wake up and we're too groggy, the circadian rhythm shifts. It's almost like we're putting ourselves into jet lag situation.
Mm-hmm. Okay.
And then it has a name, sleep inertia. So you wake up groggy. You can be groggy for the next 4 hours.
Are you a friend of everyone's doing it? It's all the rage. It's apple cider vinegar.
Yes, I love that.
So where people say that's a good thing for metabolizing fats and stuff before you go to sleep.
Yes, you can have a teaspoon in your glass of water. You can have it in the morning when you wake up as well.
Yeah, morning. Yeah, bed and
Right. It promotes sleep as well.
Does it really? Okay.
Some people, if they have stomach problems, obviously, should stay away. Yeah. Oh, yeah. Everyone should dilute it. But if you have stomach problems or like acid problems, it shouldn't be taken. Really.
We should almost be taking calls here. Look at you. I just tell you my sleep problems and you go, okay, right, yes. You go, okay, you're sleeping on a couch, right? Have a bed sleep. Only half an hour and you're solved.
That's right.
I'm going to give it a go. It's segregated sleep. You cannot no longer... All right, well, that's me solved. If you want to be solved, where should they go? What's your website?
SvetiWilliams.com, SVETI Williams.com. Or they can just Google my name, Sveti Williams.
Perfect. Thank you for coming in the studio.
Thank you.